Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over what the Snapchat quick add means. So I have Snapchat open here, it's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, so on Snapchat you'll want to tap the little plus icon. If you look at the very top you see search and the little plus icon. I can tap that, and what you'll see at the very top is quick add. And what this does is it's Snapchat's algorithm that looks at your contacts and your mutual friends within Snapchat and suggests that you might want to add this person. So at the very first option, Tanner Bolden, you can see 3+ mutual friends under his username. So that's another reason why they might suggest somebody is if you have multiple friends in common with that person, they think, the algorithm says maybe you might know that person because you have a lot of mutual friends. On top of that, it might just be that, it's somebody in your contacts that have just recently joined Snapchat. So it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is press the add and they've been added. So it's it's named quick add. It's a really quick way to increase, who you're friends with on Snapchat. One cool factor is that if you don't want to show up on the quick add, you can actually swipe down there, go to your little profile icon on the top left, and then settings at the top right. And if we scroll down here under who can, you can see the option see me in quick add. So you can actually turn this off and then nobody will see your name. You won't show up under quick add for anybody. If you'd rather random people not add you, then you can just turn that off and it adds another layer of kind of security or privacy. So that's it. That's what quick add means in Snapchat. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.